We at Breaking Free Industries print shirts. Well, actually at Breaking Free, we print shirts, hoodies, caps, and other apparel. Beyond that, and more importantly, here at Breaking Free, we create jobs, we create opportunity. And even more than that, at Breaking Free Industries, we help rebuild lives. Hi, I'm Josh Nowack, co-founder of Breaking Free Industries. We all make mistakes, and at times, those mistakes can be incredibly costly. As a formerly incarcerated individual myself, I understand the challenge associated with rebuilding one's life. But a wise man once told me, "You may have made a mistake, but you are not a mistake." I believe those words, and I also believe that your history does not create your destiny. Yet so many people who have been judicially challenged find it incredibly difficult to put the pieces of their life back together and find their second chance. Breaking Free is a shirt printing business located in downtown Santa Ana, but more than an apparel company. We are a second chances employer. We are dedicated to providing employment and entrepreneurial opportunities to those who have been judicially involved. Recently featured in Forbes, Breaking Free Industries focuses on creating an environment that supports a returning citizen's desire to go back into the fold. It's about creating an economic opportunity or an entrepreneurial opportunity, and thereby providing folks a second chance. Join us in helping others. Visit our website today and buy a shirt. Or better yet, buy your companies some shirts, 10, 100, or 1,000. Know that each shirt you purchase makes a difference in someone's life. Breaking Free Industries, criminally good.